Hi everyone, thanks for coming so fast. Jake was getting his ski resort ready for visitors when a huge storm hit. Now his ski lift is broken. Help him find all the pieces and fix it. Use Rubble's jackhammer to break the rocks that fell in the storm. Use Rocky's tools to fix the ski lift so guests can use it. All right, PAW Patrol is on a roll. Rubble, Rocky, snowstorms broke the cable car, so Jake needs your help to get ready for the opening. The ski lift broke. Find and collect materials to repair it. Let's go! Find a metal beam, large screws, and wooden planks to fix the ski lift. Good job! Try to get as many pup treats as you can. Oh no! The storm knocked a rock onto the path. Drill. Move. Good job! We need Rocky for this mission. You need big screws to fix the ski lift. Help find the screws. We need Rubble for this rescue. You found the screws. Amazing! You're doing great! Oh no! The storm knocked a rock onto the path! We need Rocky for this mission. Awesome! You found the first badge. Rubble. We need Rubble for this rescue. Rocky. Rubble. Rocky. Repair the ski lift with wooden planks. Look around to find them. Amazing! You found all the wooden planks. Let's fix the ski lift. Wow! You almost have all the pup treats! Great job! Just one more badge to find. Look for a metal beam to fix the ski lift. It should be close by. Help Rocky build a ramp to reach those beams. Build. Good job! Fantastic! You found the beams! Great job! You can fix the ski lift now. It's time for some mighty action. You found all the materials. Now it's time to repair the ski lift. Rubble. Awesome! Help Rocky fix the ski lift. the ski lift. Follow the instructions to help Rocky use his energy tools. Great job! Jake's resort can now reopen. Time for a treat. Mission complete. Jake's resort is ready to go.